Hey guys, MaryAnn here again with you from AutoHaus of Naples, and today I have an awesome Florida car for you. It is a 2003 Porsche 911 Carrera Coupe, and it is finished in a basalt black with a beautiful Savannah Beige leather interior. And this is, like I said, always been a Florida car. So it's been well maintained and kept, never driven in snow or anything like that. You can see the beautiful Savannah leather interior. That beige color is just absolutely beautiful and stunning. And the suede headliner is awesome. It ties the car together very well, and it gives such a luxury feel to it. You do have a Bose sound system in this car as well. And you can see you have your 5-spoke Porsche wheels with nice tires and big black Porsche brake calipers. They need the braking system on this car because it is definitely a fast little sports car. Let me see if I can get this open for you guys. There we go. Here in the trunk space of the car, you have plenty of room if you're traveling, and if you need to go somewhere, this is definitely going to house enough things for you. And if not, there's always UPS or USPS or anything else, FedEx, that you can utilize just so you can take your baby with you on your vacation. And once again, the nice tires, Porsche wheels, and just such a sporty look to this car. This is the most iconic sports car ever to be made. Everybody knows what it is. Whenever this car pulls up, they go, that's a Porsche 911 Carrera. This is a 996 body style. And once again, the nice, very lightly worn, if at all, interior. And you can see there's enough seating back there for a woman's purse and maybe a small child, or like I like to say, any of your misbehaved friends who need a ride home from the bar because they've had too many cocktails. We also have our quad exhaust here in the back. It is your dual pipes, but I believe this is going to be a quad exhaust as well. And we have a 3.6 liter. This is a flat 6 engine, and it produces 315 horsepower. The IMS bearing has actually been redone in this vehicle. It was redone about 2,000 miles ago. So that's always a question that we get. And yes, the IMS bearing has been redone. So I will see you guys on the test drive. Hey, let's get it started up. And you can see there's only 63,818 miles on the odometer. And for a 15-year-old Porsche, that is not many miles driven on this car at all. You have a nice, cold, powerful air conditioning in this car, and a beautiful leather dash, which I don't think you could see on my walk around as well. But now during this small test drive, you are able to see that it is not cracked, nor is it faded. So this has clearly been a garage queen. And this is a very clean car. And here you have your Tiptronic. So you can drive it all sporty in your manual mode, guys. And your wives, if they're not comfortable with that, they can just have it in the automatic mode as well. You do have some space there, but like I said, if you don't put your bratty friends in the back, then you can always at least put your purse or something and some small luggage items in the back as well. And there you can see we do have the books to the car, and along with that we do have a receipt for the IMS bearing. So I mentioned this car had the IMS bearing done just about 2,000 miles ago, and we do have the receipt for that, so you guys can see that and have the peace of mind. I just say peace of mind that has been done. And what are we doing here? Oh, I'm sorry, we were flipping through the things, but he reached over and I was confused on what he was doing. 82 degrees Fahrenheit, that's for sure.
It's hot and humid.
Not exactly sure that's what he was trying to show you, but there you go. You can see that you do have your cruise control as well in this car, your CD player, like I said, your Bose
Step
system.
on it a little bit.
So you have a 6-disc CD player in your Bose system as well. And I'm being commanded over here. You do have memory seating as well in this car.
Everything's an option at Porsche, you know? You pay for everything on those cars.
Okay, all right, ready? Still so powerful. It like roars. It is so loud. And definitely a lot of pickup. I'm gonna do it again, but I saw somebody walking out in one of the driveways and I didn't want to be disrespectful around them. So I will do one more test run for you at the end of this video. If you guys have any interest in this car, give us a call. It's 239-263-8500. You can find that information below this video. And of course, you can always find us on the web at AutoHausNaples.com and on most social media platforms. Subscribe, please, and tell your friends to subscribe as well. And I will see you guys on the next one.